Hello everybody, it is Sterling from Yarcrypto bringing you another update on what I'm currently seeing in the Bitcoin charts. The current price of Bitcoin is $37,053 and we're looking at the Bitstamp chart for BTC USD on TradingView.com. And I'm on the 4-hour time frame. We're going to be making a Fibonacci retracement from this top wick on June 3rd. Let me just take a circle tool and make a circle there so you guys know exactly which wick I'm talking about. So that wick right there on June 3rd all the way down to this bottom wick right here on June 8th. So before I take that Fibonacci retracement, I just want to turn on this 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. And as you could see, we got some rejection at the top of this 4-hour Ichimoku cloud, and then we finally found some support right now, and we're currently trying to break through that 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. And as you know, the strategy behind Ichimoku is you do not look for your long entry until you are actually breaking above this red cloud and you are bouncing on a confluent line of support or a green cloud, whichever way the price action is reacting to a support zone. Once you're above that cloud, then you could look for your long entry in that area. However, since we're under the cloud, I'm not currently looking for a long entry because it is just currently too risky, and I'm just managing my risk using retracement tools and Ichimoku cloud and moving average lines. So that's what we're currently looking at for this scenario, because Bitcoin is possibly going to break out due to the fact that we have met a trend line starting from this wick on May 21st. And as you could see, we met the top of that trend line roughly 4 times since May 21st. And every time we try to test it, we keep on getting rejected. But if we keep on trying to test it, it's very possible that we break above it. And this trend line is starting to merge on where this Ichimoku cloud is starting to get thinned out. And if we also break above this trend line, we will be claiming the 21-day EMA. So that's really, really a good sign. If we do manage to bounce and break above this cloud, that is a bullish situation that we're looking at. And now that we saw where we're getting rejected currently and what the possible situation will be if we did manage to break out currently, let me just turn off this 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. Now, let me get my Fibonacci retracement tool, and let's make that retracement that I made in my last video from the top of this wick on June 3rd all the way down to the bottom of this wick on June 8th. And as you could see, guys, let me just get this arrow tool. We eventually found support right there on the 618 briefly. Then we tested the 786 level right there on June 5th. And then we got rejected from that 786, and we did not find support on the 618. We did not get to reclaim that 618 as support. And this is for this current leg of price action from June 3rd to June 8th. So we did not have this Fibonacci retracement to begin with. We had other retracements that we were looking at. However, why am I showing you this? Well, when we got rejected from that 618 on June 7th, we went all the way down to $31,025, and then we finally saw a bounce, and we went all the way up and didn't get rejected until June 10th, when we got rejected by this trend line again and the top of that 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. Well, now we went all the way down, and now we're finding support on that 618. So as you can see, every time we touch that 618, we're getting huge wicks to the downside as we're touching that 618, showing you that this might be some support that we're seeing, a confluent line of support that we might bounce off of, which is really interesting. And that's why you got to use all these types of tools that we have in technical analysis to not only manage your risk, but you'll find really interesting things that you can use for the future in your technical analysis. You know, just seeing that Fibonacci retracement showed me how confluent these lines are with moving average lines and the Ichimoku cloud. So that's why I say, guys, just experiment, look at the chart, use your tools, and have fun. So yeah, guys, that was just a quick update for you all, so stay tuned to our channel for more market updates and TA tutorials. And for now, keep watching those charts, and best of luck on your trading. And until next time, we are Yarcrypto. Take care.